What is your first impression?
It looks really great.
Yes?
Yeah, it looks big, like perfect concept, well thinking in a lot of details, like with the wheel brakes, stuff like this. Looks good.
Yes?
It's great.
Hello,
Hi.
Sebastian.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, it's great. Working perfect.
It's very stable. Yeah, stable. And then you can just in 1 second you have minus 20 kilo. You have 3 trays, 4 parts, 4.7 kilos.
Great thing. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So like this. Our is loading.
You have to show it. It's a plus.
Yes, yes.
Is it waterproof?
Yes. You have a nice big opening. You have emergency stop, the extension for the spout. Now, alles Gute.